Welcome to IT Study Path. This is SBK. Last video, last video we have discussed some example about related JDBC, like insert the record and delete the record and update the record by dynamically. Now in this first of all, I want to tell you in this video first I want to do some modification on the this these examples, like asking to the user, do you want to delete or do you want to insert one more record? I have also shown you, but now I'm using, do you want to update one more record or not? Okay, now open this update method. Simple here. Use one while loop and ask to the user, do you want to update one more record after the updating the record? So simple here, using one system dot system.out.println, do you want to update more record? Do you want to record? Do you want to update one more record? That's it. Here, give to the user hint yes or capital No. 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 I'm putting a simple example, simple logic. I'm using simple logic. So simple string option equals to br dot readline method. We have readline method to read the data from the user and storing inside the string variable. So now inside the string variable, I want to check if option dot equals method is there. If press user no, suppose if press user no, here is the case sensitive break. If user press no, break the statement, break this loop. Okay, where here simple while loop true, and close the after this break statement. Simple. Want to run this program, go inside and open CMD. First of all, set class path equals to set class path. Where is my database is installed here app? Why I am showing again and again this type of thing? So you get habituated with this kind of thing. Okay, that's why I'm showing again and again. Only today, I will use today only Edit Plus, and from next videos onward, next session onwards, I will use Eclipse IT. So try to put more concentrate on this session. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask me on a comment box in a YouTube. In the meeting session, you can ask. See, yes, set class path, semicolon is mandatory. Java C hyphen, what is that? Update. Update dot class not required Java class. I want to one time to compile. Compile successfully. Now run. Java update class is getting. Now check here inside the database, what is there or not. SQL plus open. Okay, it's open. System is my username, password is my system. Connecting, select student table is there, select star from student. Okay, one record is there, I trick. Okay, instead of I trick, I want to place ITSP. Okay, so now update the record. First of all, this record, then it asks again, what is the ID number? 106. Okay, 106. Hit enter. New student. Enter student name. ITSP. That's it. Address. It's ask address like update. H by Hyderabad, HYD. Okay, Hyderabad. Hit enter. Now it's asking now. It's asking one more record. If you want, press yes. Press yes. Why yes? Then again it will ask. Now record is updated or not? Record is updated. Only one record is there. That's why I am performing only this only one record updation. So on the only one record. 106 again. I want to instead of ITCAP, IGI I want iTrick. Address is simple Delhi. Okay. Now, why I am doing this kind of thing again, I will show you one more important point. If you press no, capital no, simple it's terminated, not updated. Updation is performed. Let's check it. Data is updated. Data is updated now. Data is updated, but but if you run one more time, like I want to update that record. I want to update the record. So here, put 106. Instead of iTrick, I want to ITSP Delhi. Suppose address Delhi. Record is updated. Now here, if you press no, is there no now? Is there no? But here is no. But this no and this no is not matched. It will ask again. It will ask again. Nah? It's asking now. It it not it not terminate the program. It is not terminating the program. So here, why? Because this is the equals method. Now, if you have same thing you provide, then it's this break statement is executed. Why? Because we provided capital small n and that's why it's a loop not executed. Okay. And condition is false. It means condition is false. That's why break statement is not executed. So what should we here do? One thing, equal ignore. One method is there, ignore. Ignore case. Okay, this method, I think spelling is correct or not. Execute one more time. Okay. So here you press something like yeah, wait here. That's it. Now we are there. Okay, now update the result. Update the result. So hit enter. Hit enter. Control C. I want to execute one more time. The Java C update dot Java. If method is spelling there, it will give a compilation. Okay, now method is good. Java update. Hit enter. Simple. It's asking enter ID for updation 06. Okay. Name like suppose Raja. Enter student address suppose like Delhi. Hit enter. Update. If you press no, then it's terminated. No. This is the why because it's ignoring the case sensitive method. It's ignoring the case. To do this practical, do the same practical, do the same practical on the deletion, update deletion. It's asking a record by using update deletion. Okay, do that on yourself. Do that, please. Okay, I want to show you, put this code here. My batches and advanced Java class notes is there. Okay. Now opening last, this is the last program. If you want this program, I will share with you. 1 minute. Okay. Now, this is the last program we have discussed. Okay. If you have any doubt or query kind of thing, go and check this. Send me a mail. Okay. New. New. Okay, that's it. Come here. See. No. Here. Only which logic I required is Control C. Inside this, only this one. After this, provide this logic. Some logics are there. Some logics are there. So provide this. After this, this is for asking the users that no. Yes. Now it's good. This is for what? Asking to the user for dynamic input. Okay. So now, in this video, now today's our actual discussion is prepared statement. What is that? Prepare statement. Okay. What is that? Prepare statement. We have three type of statement. What is that? First one is the statement which are using frequently here, which we are using, like this statement. Okay, statement. What in that we are using statement, in that statement object we have some drawback. So we go for like prepare statement. In the prepare statement, by using statement object, we cannot insert the blob and club type of data. We cannot insert blob and club type of data, like large binary object data. We cannot store large binary object data like photos and video. So that's why people introduce. That's why this type of problem identify the people. So people introduce one very good statement called prepare statement. For prepare statement using, instead of column name, they use instead of column name used, what is that? One symbol, nothing. What is some symbol, nothing. What is that? Plus symbol. Sorry, not a plus symbol, is question mark symbol. Yes, question mark symbol. Okay. And the problem identify with the statement, like query processing and query optimization. It's perform again and again. Okay. These thing it perform again and again, like query processing, optimization, execution. Okay. By using prepare statement increase the performance of the application. Increase of the performance of application by using prepare statement. Now using prepare statement. Prepare statement. Now I will discuss more depth in this session about the prepare statement. Don't worry. Just focus, pause the video at the last and be with me. That's it. This session is very helpful for also interview purpose and other things. Hmm. So now, yes, color is black. I want to color is black. I want prepare statement. Hmm. So now, first point is what is that? What is that prepare statement and statement is also an interface. Okay. Now, first point is introduction about the prepare statement. So where it existed, and the first point is prepare statement, prepared statement, prepared statement. Prepare statement is an sorry. Prepare statement is an interface of java.sql package. Okay. Okay. Where is it existed? Where is the existed this in this package? Okay. So now prepare statement is a sub interface, and it's statement interface. This is the very important point. Prepared statement is a sub interface of and it's a super and of its super interface is statement. This is the very good point. Statement interface. So now, prepare statement is the sub interface. Prepare statement is the sub interface of statement interface. Okay, but it's reducing some drawbacks by using prepared statement. Prepare. Okay, no issue. Yeah. Okay, I don't prepare on that. Delete this. Cut it. Onto that. Prepare. Okay. So now, this is the sub interface of statement interface. So now, next point is I have told you now there identified two major problem with the statement interface. So what is the problem? I highlighted to please do. There are two, there are two, there are two problems with the statement interface. First one is first problem is that what is that? First problem is suppose suppose multiple time in a database every time the command is first compiled. Okay, first compiled and then execute. I write down so we get clarity. Suppose suppose we are executing same SQL query. We are executing same SQL query SQL query, same SQL query, same SQL query for multiple time, multiple time in a database, in a database, in a database, in a data. So every time, every time, every time, every time, what is that? So every time the query, the query, the the every time the query is first compiled, first compiled, and then execute. Okay. This is the reason. If you execute same query multiple times, then first compile, then execute. Because of this reason, because of every time compile, because of every time compile, because of every time compile, because of compile, oh, spelling mistake, na? See what compile, performance of the application, of the performance performance of the application went down. Application down. Down. Okay. This is the major reason. Okay, in the statement object. What is that meaning? I will tell you. Suppose we are executing same SQL query like that. This query I want to execute. This query I want to execute again by using statement object. We created a statement object here. Using this query execute again multiple times. So first is compiled, then execute. Every time it's compile and execute. It's compiled and execute. So this is the first problem. Second problem is that statement object can only send statement object. I had told you this also. Statement object can only send, what is that? Send the text data, text data, text data to the database, but it cannot, it cannot, it cannot send the binary like glob and glob, like binary data in the sense like uh, photos and videos kind of thing, like photo or videos. It's unable to send. It's unable to send data by using statement object to the database. This is the two major problem in the in the major problem in the statement object. To overcome these problems, so they introduce one interface called prepare statement. They overcome, so they so so they overcome the two problem above two problem. Prepare interface is given. Prepared interface is given. Prepared interface, statement meant interface is given. Which statement? Prepare statement. I want to highlight this. So now about the prepare statement. This is the very important point. How how prepare statement how prepare statement overcome these two above problem. I will tell you. So in case of prepare statement, can I write PST? No. Prepared. Okay. Prepare statement. In case of prepare statement, a SQL query, SQL query will SQL query will be first sent to the database. First send to the database. Send to the database for compilation. For which? For compilation. For compilation. And after that, and after that, the compiled code, a query, compiled query of the not a we not compiled code is good. Compiled code of the query, compiled code of the query will send stored in will be will be stored in prepare statement object. Prepare statement object. Prepare statement object. So by using this prepare statement, we reduce the first problem called execution performance issue. We solve this problem by using prepare statement. Now next thing is about the prepare statement compile to compile the query only query syntax is required. To compile the query only query syntax is required. Query syntax is required. That's it. But not the value. The value. Value is not required to pass. Okay, just pass the syntax of this query. So in the query, so in the query, what is that? So in the query, we in the query in place of values we pass what is that? Index index parameter by using which symbol question mark. Oh, yeah, question marks. Okay, by using this we can do. So for example, I want to show you how to pass. Okay, for example, suppose I have the query, copy and paste it, huh? Like this is the not good for you. This is awesome. So don't worry, I'll tell you. So like query is that suppose prepare query is t dot prepared prepare statement. Okay. So now prepare statement is there. So in that prepare statement, I want to pass the query. Which is the query? I want to insert the table. Okay. Insert into student values. Instead of value, we pass simple. What is that? 3 columns. In my database, 3 column is there. 3 index, 3 columns. So pass 3 parameter, 3 symbol, three question mark symbol. That's it. It will recognize automatically, not do anything to the do programmer. So what is that prepared? Statement EST. Okay. Here is not ST. Here is the con. That's it. First, it's compile. But it's compile and send to the okay values. It's compile and send to that here. What is that? PST. Prepare statement object. Compile compiled code. What is that? Just highlighted this thing. What is here is here only code. Compiled code. Compiled code. Compiled code. Okay. We send what is that compiled code. So highlighted which is this, all these things point I want to tell you. So what is that? What is that? In a SQL query, we can use only what is that? What is that? In SQL query, we can use in SQL query, we can only use what is that? We can only use what is that? Symbol like that. Only this symbol, okay. So now next, we can't use any other special symbol. We can't use only any other special symbol. We just use only, what is that? Just only use symbol, question mark symbol. Okay. So now this is very important point where we use like question mark symbol. So put more concentration on this particular point. What is that? We can't we can't use we can't use this symbol like question mark symbol to replace table name, column name, column name in the column name, column name, column name in the column name in the database table, in the database table, yeah, in the query. It is only for values. Okay, not for other than. So now next point is we cannot use symbol in the DDL command query also, like create alter. This is the point. Now I highlighted this one. We can't use this symbol. We can't use this symbol in DDL queries. DDL queries in the sense like alter, and truncate. मतलब update, delete the some rules and truncate, update the particular value like that. I think so. Truncate, and drop. Okay. Data definition languages. So also I want to highlight. So now create table. Suppose we pass like the create table AB, like suppose like STD, suppose that, okay. Like ID, yes, ID. What is that? Number, NUMB, a number. Like that, if you pass the column or not? If you pass it like that, no. You cannot pass like that. Okay. So this is the simple invalid. And the invalid. Simple invalid. Now, now next is select SID. Okay. Comma, question mark from student. It's valid or invalid? Tell me. Valid or invalid? It's a update question mark. Right. Mark. Suppose set mark equals to update for the updation like power 100 where SID equals to 101. 101. That's 101. What is that? So tell me, this is the invalid. This is the invalid, and this is also invalid. Okay, this is also invalid. What is the valid query? I will say? Like if you pass like, tell me, select. This is the valid or invalid. Select star from EMP. Select star from EMP where suppose where equals to like question mark, like question mark, mark the question mark. Tell me, this is the valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? Valid. Okay. So now you can pass. So now I want to show you one example. Inside the query by using prepare statement. Okay, I want to show you one example to you by using prepare statement. So can I use same example or other example? Hmm? Okay, use just some other example. Okay. Close this. Okay, no issue. So now simple. Only today onwards I am using this public 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 class prepare statement prepare that's prepare statement. Hmm? Prepare statement. Hmm. This is our class. Okay, let's save it. After that, I am starting developing Java. I will ask to the user. In this example, I will ask to the user how many records you want to insert it by using for loop. This is the new example. Okay. Try to be with me. Huh? Try to focus. I will provide very good example. Okay. Public static void main. Here string args like a method argument. Here throws the exception. I don't want to right now handle the exception by using try and catch. Throws exception. So now, first of all, class dot for name method. I hope you habituated with this type of thing, na? What is that our class name? What is the Oracle dot JDBC dot Oracle driver. Oracle driver. That's it. So load and register the driver. Load and register the driver by using this class dot for name method. I will tell you some other session. The main intention, main purpose of this learning. Okay. Nowadays is not compulsory, it's optional. But the starting point of view, that's why I'm teaching like that. Okay. So now next thing is driver manager, like connection. Establish the connection on equals to driver manager. Driver manager dot get connection is the method which is present inside the driver. So here we pass three parameters. We pass three parameters. First parameter is URL JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at the rate localhost colon 1521 ORCL. This is my service ID. Now my username is system, and my password is also system. Okay. Now we're loading the driver and registering the driver, and we establish the connection between Java application database is completed. Now here we should prepare. What is that? Prepare statement. So we have the interface called prepared. Interface name is the prepared statement. Prepare statement. Our interface name is the prepare statement. PST equals to con dot. Here is the method is the prepare statement. Here is our method is the prepare statement. Okay. So now here you can pass that query. Here you can pass the query. What is that query? Insert into values. Insert into values where student. Insert into values where student. Separate this. So not separating, you compile your choice. But in the simple pass three parameters. While in the student table we have only which three columns. Its name as well. Here is not required to pass. Okay. So now our query is ready. Now next is I want to ask to the user how many record you want to insert there. Now, so simple. You want to the ask user by using for loop, it's okay. Otherwise, we inserted at first compilation, first execution. I want to insert two records. Okay, so now it's easy, na? After that, I will ask to the user. So now buffer reader. Okay, scanner using scanner. Yeah, no, scanner SC equals to new scanner. Is there anything else? System.in. That's it. In the scanner is a beautiful thing, not required to typecast. It has some methods. Okay, not required to typecasting. So simple. I want to using for loop. Int I equals to. I want to start with 1. I equals to 1. I equals to 1. Simple. I less than equals to 2. Okay, and I plus. Inside the for loop, I am asking the user to the data s by s to system dot out dot print enter student student ID. Okay. Here it's asked, so I want to print and same. So not using print to. So simple. ID is which type? ID is int SID. Student ID is int type. So simple. Not SC dot next int. Next int is the method. S by S T system dot out dot. Otherwise copy and paste, na. enter student name, that's it. St dot next is the method which I presented. Okay, simple. Now next is student ID, student address. Okay. Next method is to read the data. Which type of data? Which type of data it's reading? Which type of data it's reading? String type of data. Okay. Now here is the very important point. I want to set the data one more. Set the value inside the prepare statement. Set to the value. Set values. Set values inside prepare statement. Prepared prepare statement object. That's it. So how pst dot set int. First is which type int. So what is the column number one and what is the value sid. That's it. Next is pst dot set. Set string is the method to set the value to sid. Yes name, not sid. Yes name. You can pass here instead of this. You can pass column name also. Not a issue. Okay. PST. First, I will prepare this example. I am preparing this example. Other next after that, after execution, I will do some modification on this same example. Okay. There I will show you all possible cases, all possible cases. Okay. Set a string. Set string. String method is string. In the third column, yes, ADDR. Your data is set inside that prepare statement. That's it. Data is setting now. So now next thing is simple. Execute that which pst dot execute update method execute update. Simple. It's returning or not. It's returning something like in k. So value of the k. Okay. That's why system dot out dot println record was here. You can print three record inserted. Okay, k like two record inserted or three record inserted. K plus record inserted. Not a k. I is already used. No? Three record inserted. Not simple. Now. Now after this for loop, close the PST object, prepare statement object, close class, not a class, close and close the connection, con dot close. This is the record data. So our program is ready for the execution here. Not right now, it's not. So we import some packages, some import java.sql dot, which is the java.sql dot connection. Okay. Next import java.sql driver manager. And next import java where is the page statement is the existed interface in the SQL bucket prepared statement. This is the prepared statement. Prepared statement. That's it. Now one more package is required. Java.util.scanner. I think util.java.util.scanner. Java.util.scanner. Now our program is ready to go live. Now This is our previous command from CLS. Why? Because we are preparing all uh, example inside this location. We execute this program. What is that? Java C P prepare statement Java. If I any error, oh, that string cannot be converted to int. Why? C dot and next thing. SID. Why? Editing SID. Asking this type of nonsense. String. Here is the string. Do the lots of mistake. Copy and pasting. String. Okay, not try this. Even I don't know. Oh, 5 error is there. Like string SID. String SID. Okay. SID. Okay. Yes, name. Yes, name. This is for copy and paste. Do this and write it. Better to compile. Now again it's one more error. What is that? Prepare statement not found. Here is not prepare. Okay. Check it. Check it. Spelling is mistakes. Yeah. What is the, here is it. Yeah. Prepare statement. Okay. This thing seems like good now. Prepares. Check. On dot prepare statement. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Spelling mistakes. Spelling mistakes is there. Prepare. Prepare. Prepare statement. Right. Check. Again, why? String like that con method prepare statement. Why it's not finding? Prepare statement. Yeah, compile successfully now done. Java P. Okay, ID. I want to insert like 104. Is 104 is data there or not? Only one data is there. Okay. Hit enter. Okay. A student like Kareem and address like Delhi. Okay. One record is inserted. He asking one more time. Okay, one record is inserted. First time you will execute it. And you want to insert one more. 1 5. Okay. I want to like Rahim. And here is like UP. Okay. One record is inserted. Here is one record inserted. It means total 2 records are inserted inside the database. Rahim and Kareem is inserted. 4 and 5. Okay. This is the total example. This is example. So now this example I'm pasting here. This page. Some what is that? What is that like statement I want to write? JDBC JDBC program insert two record with the dynamics dynamic values with the dynamic values into what is that into the database in in student table by using by using prepare statement by using prepare statement. This code here. So we'll go and collect this. What is that? Here is statement, prepare statement, highlighted thing I'm highlighting. Okay. So this is the prepare statement. This for the scanner. Here in this example, I am using scanner. Another example, this is the prepare statement. And this logic for all these things. So we will get this example. You can join my YouTube channel. YouTube IT Study Park. Otherwise, you can search simply IT Study Bar. You will get this. So this is the playlist for this batch. What is that? This batch. If you join newly, so watch previous video and then continue with the further. I will complete the whole batch with advanced beginner to zero to hero kind of thing. Okay. We will go slowly. We don't have a hurry and worry kind of thing. Just we go slowly and learn one by one thing. First, I will teach theory, then I will show the practical also. And next session onward, I am using Eclipse ID. So try to install Eclipse ID on your system and do the practicals. Okay. Thank you for watching.